Hi guys, a quick update about the offline classes that I will be handling for Jan 25 CA Inter classes. The Jan 25 CA Inter classes for my subjects of accounts, law will be happening in A&M classes, Chennai. What are the features of this class? Before I explain the killer features of this class, let me show you the schedule over here. Of course, I am blocking the schedule guys. You can't see the schedule, but if you are curious, download the schedule. It's available for all the subjects, all the 6 subjects it's available. For law, the schedule will be starting from 8th of November. 8th of November we are going to start the class and it will go until 19th of November. That is going to be 80 hours of intense learning. Even if you are studying for the first time, what all we are going to cover in this, full 100% syllabus will be done. In the class itself, we will solve 150 plus past exam questions, RTP, MTP in the class. Presentation guidance, how to present answers. You will actually write answers in the class in front of me. I will correct each student's answers in the class. This time additionally we are going to discuss self-made case study questions, and also I will guarantee you, you will know if you know about the class, section numbers you will remember from the end of the first class itself for whatever topics are done, and how to remember procedures and much more. It will be a holistic class guys. We are going to start off with law. Once law is done, we will proceed to other subjects like advanced accounting, and then you will go to DT, IDT, and this is the schedule. I will drop a link to this in the description also. Maybe pause the screen, take a screenshot. Offline classes, the sooner you register, the slots will be there because we have only 200 slots. More students come in, we will somehow manage guys. Don't worry about it, but November 8th, these are the details guys. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.